Hello and a very warm welcome to all my viewers. You're watching DreamCarViews Motorhome, the perfect place for dream cars, trucks, and motorhomes. Before we begin, I kindly ask all of you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from DreamCarViews. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. Your support helps us bring more exciting content for you. Today, we're talking about one of the world's most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes, the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo. This is not your average RV, this is luxury redefined on wheels. Let's start with the exterior, and trust me, the EleMMent Palazzo looks like it's come straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its design is bold, futuristic, and aerodynamic. The front end features a huge curved windshield that offers an incredible panoramic view for the driver. The body has smooth, sleek lines and LED lighting that gives it a modern touch. What truly makes it stand out is the expandable rooftop terrace, yes, an actual sky lounge that lifts up with the touch of a button. This space can be used for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying a sunset view from the top of your motorhome. From a distance, it doesn't even look like a motorhome, it looks more like a spaceship or a luxury bus designed for the ultra-elite. Now let's take a step inside, and prepare to be amazed. The interior of the EleMMent Palazzo is what makes it truly special. You'll find high-end materials like Italian leather, marble flooring, and real wood finishes. The living area is spacious and comes with a lounge-style sofa, a 42-inch flat-screen TV, a fireplace, and dimmable LED lighting to create the perfect mood. The master bedroom includes a king-size bed, luxury bedding, and even a rain shower bathroom with gold-plated fixtures. Yes, gold. There's also a full kitchen, a fridge, microwave, oven, and a coffee machine, making it ideal for long trips in total comfort. One of the standout features is the smart control system. Everything from lighting to temperature can be controlled using a touchscreen. It's not just a motorhome, it's a smart luxury apartment on wheels. Now let's talk about what powers this giant. The EleMMent Palazzo is equipped with a Volvo 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, producing around 510 horsepower. Despite its massive size, it's engineered for smooth and efficient highway driving. It includes a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the air suspension system ensures a stable and comfortable ride, even on long-distance travel. The fuel tank is massive too, making it ideal for cross-country road trips without constant refueling. Whether you're going up a mountain or cruising on the highway, this motorhome handles like a dream. Now here comes the big question: how much does all this luxury cost? Well, the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo comes with a starting price of $3 million and can go even higher depending on customizations. Yes, it's one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world, and it's clearly not for everyone. This is designed for celebrities, billionaires, and those who want to travel without compromising on luxury. But whether you can afford it or not, it's always fascinating to see how far technology and luxury can go in the world of vehicles. So that was the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo, a moving palace that combines luxury, technology, and futuristic design like nothing else on the road. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single video from DreamCarViews. Share this video with your friends and comment below: would you like to live in a luxury motorhome like this? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing ride. Until then, take care and keep dreaming big with DreamCarViews.